So much to go over in the next few minutes. So as we head outside right now, most of the rain clearing out of here. We can get that out of the way and past us. Most of the rain kind of settling down near Oxford, still seeing an uptick of rain chances there, but we're above freezing today. We're above freezing tonight and tomorrow. So we won't expect any snow or ice until Friday. Temperatures tomorrow near 50. That's going to give us plenty of chances to dry out from the rain that we saw today. But then our winter storm watch goes into effect by 12 o'clock on Friday. This lasts until 6 p.m. on Sunday. So we've got a wide range of the chances to see this winter storm approaching. Now, as we take a look at our weekend forecast, most of this, the consensus across the models, are moving in right around 9 to 9:30. Now, we're looking at mostly snow towards the north of us and then a bit more chances of ice towards the south of us. That's going to be still in northern parts of Mississippi. You can see central parts of Arkansas, and then Memphis Metro right along I-40. This is our window where we're going to get a bit of both. So as we move through time, this is Saturday 5 a.m. As we move through time and this continues to progress, we get a decent band of snow setting up early in the morning, again, to the north of I-40. So that's where we're going to see a bit more heaviest snow accumulation. Then to the south, that's more looking at a freezing rain setup. So as we continue to move through, this is now early afternoon. We're seeing that freezing line lift a little bit further north. We have this warm air towards the middle of the atmosphere. Even though we're still freezing at the surface, that warm air towards the middle is going to cause us to have a bit of sleet or freezing rain. That's still kind of up for debate at this time. But most of us are going to see a little bit of both. As we continue to move through time, overnight, Saturday and into Sunday, we have a bit of a decrease in the accumulation, the snow, the ice, but some models are wanting to show a second band or a second wave kind of coming in. This is going to be by late morning, early afternoon on Sunday. That's not a high confidence at this time, where we're still focused on, of course, Saturday. Now, precipitation types, this is where we have that difference as well for Saturday night, because we're not going to see rain. It's definitely left with freezing rain, sleet, or snow. But what we're looking at is, if you take a shot of the vertical picture of the atmosphere, but the difference between freezing rain and sleet is this layer of warm air. If we have a thicker layer of warm air and then a shallow layer of cold air at the surface, you get more of a freezing rain situation. Water droplets are cold, but not cold enough to freeze before it hits the surface. It'll freeze on contact. Then looking at sleet, you have a shallow warm layer and then you have a cold layer at the surface, a little bit further higher up in the atmosphere, and that gives us plenty of time to refreeze, and then we have that sleet. Huge difference in driving conditions. So these are the three things that we're focused on for our Saturday forecast. Could start out as snow, then lead into that sleet and freezing rain forecast. So mostly to the north, Blytheville, Dyersburg, Harrisburg, more looking at a snow forecast. You're going to get a good bit of accumulation. Now, south of that, all the way to northern parts of Mississippi, we're in this period of sleet and freezing rain mixed in with snow, and even just some periods of all sleet or all freezing rain. So the totals here for snow amounts are going to vary. South of Holly Springs, south of Helena, you're going to get mostly just ice, which is going to be pretty dangerous. The ice accumulations, the further south we go, we could see 1 to 3 inches of ice accumulations. Here you are in Oxford, over 2 inches of ice. Now, the further north we go, again, majority snow, not as much ice. Doesn't really matter in that middle ground, because we are going to see both ice and snow, which is going to cause catastrophic driving conditions. Again, that's for Saturday. Then temperatures settle down into the near 0 degree range. That's Sunday night and Monday night. So cold temperatures lasting all the way through midweek next week.